grateful we are that you've joined us here in the sunset of Moanalua Gardens, under the beautiful trees, with some amazing food, some amazing friends, and so much good aloha all around us. Give yourselves a round of applause for making that possible. I will be very upfront in saying that this concert was really just an excuse for us to get together. It really was. And I say that because, and maybe from my perspective it might be a little bit different from others, but for 2 years, I feel like it was, I missed so many of you, and I'm sure that many of us have felt the same way. We've missed each other, and you know, we felt like this was great timing to have a nice, relaxing, like Kumu said, a nice, lazy Saturday afternoon in the park where we could just be together. And the thing, the piece that holds this together, I want to be really blatant about this, is not Keauhou. The piece that holds this together, this entire event, is inspired by our memories at Hale Aloha. So if everybody turns around and looks at that tent over there, they are the reason why we are here. They are the reason why our opus are so ma'ona. And they are the reasons why you may still be hungry, so you can go back and eat a little bit more, right? Wonderful opportunity to eat really good food. Auntie Tammy, Uncle Dan, love you folks. Thank you so much. To the Hi girls, ʻnohi Mai O Haʻehaʻe, Miss Aloha Hula, Hoku Zudameister, our Kumu, and our Hula brothers. What an awesome, we feel really special and grateful to have shared this stage with you folks. And really, in so many ways, we learned so much from each of you. And then to the many, what Mele folks were calling legends, sitting over there as well, we're so humbled that you've chosen to stay, to spend the evening with us. Thank you so much. And before we move on, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Aloha Hula. Happy birthday to you. She chose to spend her birthday with us. And with that, let's get her up here. What do you say, huh? Wehiwehi Mānoa, Miss Aloha Hula 2022 Piʻikea Lopes, who has today turned 22 years old. Sheesh.